today we are gonna open the mini brands. So let's do it. Yeah. Sometimes it's not satisfying. It just goes well. Man, this wants to go round again. That's what I'm on and. Wait, let's see the bottom. It doesn't have anything in the bottom. It has tiny little. This is so cute. Let's do this. Okay, now we rip this and let's see what we get. We got this. I think it's like something like a mold.
Good to hold the stuff.
And I got this.
What is it?
Is this mini brand or something?
Jelly glue.
I got a plate with oranges. Get this tiny oranges. They're so tiny. Okay, I got this. That has two things. Yeah.
There's a manual.
Yeah, how to make it.
Food.
Yes, it's right here. How to make it.
Oh, these are the
those are
the drawers.
yeah, the drawers. This is what I wanted. I also got this little thing to scoop the ice. Scoop the ice or something.
Put it all together.
And this watermelon. So delicious. Let's do the balls first.
But what do you call it? What does it have in it?
Like tiny stuff. That you can, it's hard though. It like exploded. Let's see what we get. This is so cute. Just look at it. It's like food inside. What we get. Chicken.
How you gonna eat chicken?
So tiny. Dad,
Surprises?
Yeah. I got ice cream. Yeah, because it's too tiny. It's a mini. I opened another one and I got this one. It's the food from like the place. It's so cute. I really wanted this. This is the best. And I opened all the rest and this is what I got in all the rest.
Like it.
I got
tater tots.
Yeah, the tater tots. And I opened another one. I got another magnet. I'm gonna put it on my fridge. So cute. Now I opened like another ball and this is what I got. I got this, and I got some Jello. I got some milk, and this is what I got. And that was the magnet that I got from there too. And now let's make this. First, we're gonna grab this, and we're gonna put.
What are you making?
The jelly thing.